I think it's going to be a bright sunny day, which is unusual. For the last couple of weeks it's been cloudy, rainy, cloudy, muggy, hot, rainy, cloudy, hot, rainy, muggy. Might be a good day for a long walk. Coming up at the top of the show, I talked to Adrian Hill from Canada, a new old friend of mine I've been dealing with, enjoying my time seeing Adrian online during the Great Prediction Project and during Susan Gerbich's trivia quiz. She spoke at Monterey Skeptic Camp just last week, as did I, and she was speaking about Tourette's syndrome. It was such an interesting talk, I thought I would interview her for the Skeptic Zone, and you'll discover some of the so-called alternative treatments being offered to people with Tourette's syndrome, like homeopathy and things like that. Following that, it's Logical Fallacies with Michelle Biggersma. Hello, Michelle, down there in Victoria. And what